Farm animals. Cow. I am a smart, intelligent animal. I eat grass, plants, corn. I say moo as a way to communicate. Chicken. I live on a farm. Can also raise me in the backyard. I eat almost anything. Grass, bugs, fruits, vegetables. I cluck after lay an egg. Donkey. I'm small but quite strong. I can carry heavy things. I have long ears and a long tail. Duck. I have a short neck, wings, and a stout body. I have webbed feet designed for swimming. I eat small fish, insects, worms, grubs, and more. Sheep. I eat grass. I have thick fur called wool. The wool is made into warm clothes for you to wear. Turkey. I live on a farm. I have colorful feathers. I eat nuts and seeds. Pig. I have a small eye and curly tail. I can grow to be very big. I live in a steep. Horse. I have long tails, short hair, along its heads. You can ride me and I can run fast. I eat hay and grasses.